I'm Dr. Allison Rice, and I'm a bariatric and general surgeon at HCA Florida Palm Beach Surgical Specialists. Well, I've always been interested in medicine from a young age. Even though no one in my family is in healthcare, I was just always drawn to it. And I volunteered during high school and college at some various healthcare facilities. And I just loved working with people and helping them get better. For general surgery, we offer both laparoscopic and robotic surgery, which means minimal pain, faster recovery, and faster return to your normal daily life. For bariatric surgery, we have a comprehensive center where everything is in one. It's a one-stop shop. So you'll have a nutritionist, dietitian, exercise therapist, and everything that you need right there in one building. Surgery is a very anxiety-provoking experience. People are afraid, and I understand that. So I try and make the patient feel as comfortable as possible by going into detail about what they can expect, and I help them through the whole process. If you're a new patient considering surgery, if you've already had surgery and need a new bariatric surgeon, we would love to take care of you. So please come see us in the office.